everyone, look at this table. First of all, let's put a fabric on the table. Look at it, just a fabric. We don't need to do anything. Today I'm going to show you the idea about how to simply to make a table decoration. Look, just put on a fabric. And then we got a green tree from fabric. Just put on the middle of the table. Make the ruffle. Okay, look. And then let's make a flower arrangement to put on display and one put on display. Okay, let's make the flower. Okay, making the flower arrangement, I will use this flower bowl and the floral foam. So this idea could use for fresh flower also. In order to cover this floral foam, so I will use this large leaf to cover like this. And now I will use a lot of leaves, different leaves, to make the flower arrangement. Use our saucepan and different leaves. No, I have a lot of type of leaf. No, this leaf. I don't fast skip the procedure because I want to make the tutorial long so that I can insert the advertise to make revenue to cover the material so that I can make more video. Please don't skip as supporting. And I don't want to make it very tall because I will put this flower arrangement on the table. And because this flower arrangement will be put on the table, so I will put something leaf like dragging from the front. We can make the leaf this part after we put on the table. And also I will use this long stem and the leaves to extend the flower arrangement. And also I have this branch of leaf to extend also. And after that, we will put on our flowers. On this tutorial, I will only use the green and white color. So I will just put on our white flower. Look. And also this hydrangea. Okay, on the back side. And also, I will use this long stem to extend the flower. And the other side, also long stem. We have this type of flower also. And also we have this type of material, just put here. And look, I have this small flower also. Just insert like this. Okay, it looks pretty also. Okay, almost completed. But look at this, there we can see the floral foam through the flower and leaf. So we need to put more leaf to cover the floral foam. Okay, almost completed. Let's put it on the table and adjust this part dragging on the table. Look, this is the effect after I put it on the table. And also, I will put some flower and leaf here to make it like dragging from the table. Okay, on this design, I will use this branch of leaf. Just because there are iron wire inside, so we can bend to adjust the shape. Look, I have this leaf also. And about the leaf, I will use this very long stem. Bend and insert on the foam. And also, I can use this leaf and also bend and insert on the foam. Okay, now let's use more leaf to fill the space. Okay, and then let's put some white flower. I think I will put it on here. And also insert some here. I think I need to put a white rose here also. Okay, put a white rose. Bend the iron wire so that we can insert from here. Insert from here. Okay, it's almost completed. And also, I think I will extend some leaf here, so I will use this long leaf. Also, iron wire inside so we can bend. Okay, insert it on the foam. Also, we can bend to make the shape we want. And also, we need to put some white flower here. Okay, of course, the rose. Okay, look, this is the effect. And then let's make another flower arrangement and put on display. Okay, make the other flower arrangement. For your information, because we only make the flower arrangement on the front side, so the flower arrangement may be fall like this. So we need to put something heavy on it. Okay, continue to put more leaf on it. Since I'm not good at flower arrangement, so let's fast skip it. Okay, I think the leaf is enough. So let's put on some white flowers. Okay, I will put this white flower. Because this stem is very long, we can cut it or we can bend like this. And let's insert on the floor foam. And because there are iron wire inside, so we can bend to make the shape like this. But I think it's very sturdy, so I will remove this off. You can put something heavy and small in size so that we have more space to insert the flower. Okay, the flower arrangement completed. Now let's put it in front of table and check the effect. Look, this is the effect. And now let's put some candle holder on the table. Okay, completed with everything. Now let's check the whole effect. Look, this is the whole effect. Let's zoom in to check the detail. Look, the candle holder and the flower arrangement on the top with some jet pink flower. If you don't want it complicated, you don't have to put some flower and leaf jetting from the table. Just make the flower arrangement and put on the table will be okay. And also, our flower on the floor. Now, let's check the whole effect again. And check it from top. Check it from this side. And check it from this side. The come out is very pretty. And this idea is very easy to make. Just put the fabric on the table and insert to make the flower arrangement will be okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.